please welcome Full Course. Welcome to Ambition Nation.
Thank you for having me. I don't put out music looking for people to love it and to go and download it and buy it. And if I did, then I'd be miserable. You know what I mean? Like, to me, failure is giving up. Straightforward. Failure. Not even just giving up. Failure is like not even trying. I hate like leaving my house at 8 in traffic with everyone. You know what I mean? Like, I don't mind when I go to work at 10 and it's clear and I'm coming back at a different time, but I don't like traveling with the packs.
And did somebody ground you when you were younger to tell you what was fictional and not?
They didn't have to, because I was around it. My older brothers, my cousins, my mom. My mom kept me grounded for sure, but it was just the people I was around. They say, "Sir, you're a rapper, why are you teaching?" I'm like, "Cause this rap stuff ain't, this rap stuff is expensive, you know what I mean?" You gotta trust yourself, and you gotta trust the people that you choose to keep around you. I have a lot of people around me who are nothing like me, and that's why they're around me, because I want to learn, like, how do you get, like, some of my best girlfriends are just so structured and organized and, like, efficient. I'm like, how do you do that? You know what I mean? Am I still learning something? Yeah, for sure. Right now I'm learning the business side of the music business right now.